What's up, guys? Alright, today I'm going to be working on my 1986 Mustang. Clear coat's peeling really bad on the car, on the hood, and back on the back deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock all this down with 120 grit sandpaper, followed by a 320 grit sandpaper, and then finish it off with a 400 and get it looking nice and even and smooth, feeling fuzzy to the touch. This is going to enable me to have a nice clean surface to paint this all up and get it back where it can be a factory condition. Now my idea is to make the entire front lift of the scoop area silver and leave the rest of the hood black. Do it exactly like the scheme from 1986, using sandpaper just like this and with a block, all by hand. I was going to make this possible. What I'm going to end up doing is sanding everything down all even, getting it nice looking, feeling good and even, and I'm going to spray this with Duplicolor Perfect Match paint and a 4K clear. And this is going to make this look exactly like it did from the factory, minus the GT. The GT on the corner will actually be a decal. Everything that I'm going to be doing on this today can be done in your garage exactly the same, following the same steps. Be sure to use a wax and grease remover to clean the hood or the body panel or whatever you're using after you sand it. You know, blow it off with air first, then use the wax and grease remover and get it all cleaned up. After that, you know, apply it 2 or 3 times, make sure there's no dust, then wait for it to dry and then go ahead and start painting. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up here and have you watch the rest of the video. It'll be just me sanding. I did not record the spraying. I didn't want to get any overspray on the camera, but there are pictures of the process and the finishing, the finished product at the end of the video. Alright guys, enjoy. Come back for more. Please subscribe, like, and enjoy. Have a good one. Thanks.